last person present over here. I'm Bisen Bellai, class 9 KB Amliang, standing over here to deliver a short speech on the given topic, Save Water, Save Life. Before going ahead, I would like to extend my warm welcome to each and every person present over here. And I would also like to thank you all for giving me a golden opportunity to share my thoughts and expressions on water and its importance. It is quite obvious that water is the base and soul of life. Life without water would be impossible. So water is an important judiciary which is not to be wasted. Life without water is impossible. Also, the drinkable water is quite low, and if we continue to waste water at the speed of today we do, the day is not far when we will have to fight for water. But still, let me ask you one question. Are we moving in the direction of saving water? The rightful answer would be no. Even after knowing the value of water, we are just abusing, or rather say, wasting water, which is need to be changed. As we all are aware that water is a perishable resource. It gets depleted every time we use and needs time to replenish. Lack of water can lead to problems like drought and famine. It is not just required for drinking and household activities, but also for the economic activities. Right from agriculture to industry, every sector needs water to produce and provide. Water conservation, which is a motto today, can be only seen in books, journals, and other social medias. And the real life implementation is yet to start. But how can we conserve or save water? So let me introduce you some basic and primary ideas to save water. First, do not let the tap run while you are brushing. Domestically, instant and check for leakage on time to time so that not a single drop of water is wasted. We also need to educate our children and community members and others about safe water using habits. Installing water harvesting systems can help you to save more water, and in the commercial sectors like agriculture, the use of modern methods like sprinkler methods and drip irrigation can save a lot of water as compared to traditional methods. In factories and industries, the industrialists do not discharge the used and dirty water into the clean river sources like ponds and lakes, which may pollute the further clean water. Saving water is not a responsibility for only you or me or for a sheikh only of a single individual, but saving water must be a responsibility of every nationalist and should be a common practice. To conclude, I would like to say that when you are thirsty, do not search for any beverage or treasure, but water. And this is quite enough to explain that why we need to conserve and save water. I would like to end this with a short note that let us all today take a vow to be diligent and make others diligent too and move ahead on the road of saving water. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.